Hey there, Disney friends. Today we are at Disney Saratoga Springs. We're going to tour the 3-bedroom deluxe villa. It is room 2207 in Congress Park. So off to my side over here, I'm overlooking the Congress Park pool. This is a 2-story villa. This is the living room area. And so I'm going to go ahead and take you on a tour of the whole room. All right, and so this is the master bedroom. With a king-size bed. And there's plenty of plugs and USB ports throughout the room, in each bedroom, through the living room, even in the kitchen. I think there's some USB ports, but you can see that there's some plugs even in the dressers on either side. Ceiling fan, which in Florida is a must. Some subtle Saratoga Springs decorations with a few Disney characters interspersed in the pictures. And then this is Congress Park, so this is the Congress Park pool area. And then across the water is going to be Disney Springs. And so now we're going to go back out into the living room. And so in the living room, you have the pull-down couch. So it's a Murphy bed. Has some Disney decor. I just also noticed that off to the side here, you do have some plugs and USB ports. Really think this entertainment center is really neat with this lake reflecting the trees and everything. Really neat. This is a 2-story, so you have the high ceilings along with the overlook of the second floor. And then we're gonna come out here into the dining room. So there's a total of 10 chairs, so you can seat a large crew. Of course, this room sleeps 12. Got Melissa doing the important things, getting the coffee ready for the morning, unpacking. So you get a full kitchen. Do have a full-size refrigerator, freezer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burner stove. You have the dishwasher, sink, you have microwave, toaster, and then we're going to have all the plates and utensils and things that come with it. Melissa wants to point out the really sweet coffee maker. Cuisinart looks like it's a dual thing, so it's got K-cups, which I'm a English breakfast tea fan, so I'm very excited for that. And also pot coffee. So she brought over, I'm sure, some Starbucks. There we go, maple pecan. Even though there's no fall in Florida, we're gonna have it. Let's check out the cabinets and see what we have up here. So you can do a little bit of baking. Got some cookware. More storage. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, these are all your cups and mugs. Some small plates and saucers. Some more plates and some wine glasses. So this room comes equipped with everything that you're going to need to take care of a large crew. So you got some pots and pans. And this looks like Whirlpool appliances. And so you got plenty of storage space for all the food and stuff that you bring. And then right off the kitchen is going to be one of the bathrooms. So good vanity area. And then check out that design on the wall of the shower. I think that's neat. It's almost Epcot-esque with the different shapes on it. And then 2 shower head. Rain shower and handheld shower. right, so we're gonna go back out into the living room area. We got a good sized closet. Got some extra pillows and blankets, ironing board, vacuum, iron if you need those during your stay. And so now we're going to go upstairs. And so upstairs you got a landing with a chaise chair. And then this is going to be your view. And then off to the left, you do have a second entrance. It's for safety. So there's an entrance and exit on each floor. And then this is the second bedroom. So you've got vanity and sink out here. Nice size closet. Pretty deep. And then, let's see which switch does the bathroom lights. Oh, here we go. And so you got a tub shower combo. And then this bedroom has 2 queen size beds. And so more wall decor. This room also will overlook the Congress Park pool. You get a nice view in the morning. And then who misses the Disney Resort TV? So it's not the upgraded TVs that they have like it's at Riviera Resort that gives your family name and has a little bit more interactivity to it. But hey, good old Disney Resort TV. Always miss it when we're not here. All right, we're gonna go check out the other bedroom. All right, so this also has 2 queen beds. Got a nice, good sized dresser. You also have raised beds, so you got plenty of storage under the beds. You can fit suitcases if you needed to, but there's also ample closet space. So another awesome view of the Congress Park pool. I don't know if I'm getting in the thing there. You can see the squirrel ticking down the sidewalk. It's Florida, they're everywhere. I know people don't have squirrels around normally, get excited, but we're Floridians, we're used to it. So this will be the third bathroom. Turn on some lights. Just got another storage closet. And then you've got another bathroom with a tub shower combo. And then this bathroom has this little odd shelf off to the side. So last thing we're gonna go check out is we're gonna go back downstairs and let's check out the balcony. Say hi, boys.
Hi, boys.
All right, so back through the dining area, and then we're gonna go out onto the balcony. It's a nice, peaceful, quiet area. Only small table and 2 chairs, but overlooks a nice courtyard. If you can see across the water, you've got Cirque du Soleil. They're building over at Disney Springs. And then here's the pool. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this tour of the 3-bedroom Grand Villa at Disney Saratoga Springs. Saratoga Springs is one of my favorite resorts. You know, it's a big resort. There's usually a lot of availability. It's close to Disney Springs. Disney Springs is one of our favorite places to go hang out. We love Homecoming, Raglan Road. Two of our favorite places to hang out. Polite Pig, if you're a bourbon drinker, awesome whiskey and bourbon selection. Always have new options on their menu. Really good barbecue. So I definitely say check those out. But we're within walking distance of Disney Springs. Of course, in the resort itself, Saratoga Springs, there's bus transportation that will take you to the main pool area. It's also a golf resort, so if you're into golf, you can play around a golf while you're here. But it's usually a fairly quiet resort, even though it's got a big size to it. We enjoy coming here, and so this is our home resort as DVC members. So I hope you enjoyed this tour today. Please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks, Disney friends.